Welcome to this product video for RAVOL volume measurement kit with scanning software. In this kit we have a digital pipette, 3 tips, 3 doctor blades, a pen, a microscope with a 100 times magnification capability, a bottle of testing liquid, a bottle of cleaning liquid, and USB with scanning software and reference area. First, you pick up the bottle of the testing liquid and then give it a good shake. After that, you can open it and set it aside. Then take the digital pipette and a tip. At first, the display is turned off, but when you insert the tip, the display will be turned on automatically. The bottom slide is used to fill the pipette. Start with sliding it all the way down and then insert it into the testing liquid. Then pull the slide all the way up to fill the pipette. After that, the display will be flashing. This means that the pipette is not yet calibrated. To fully calibrate it, you must insert the tip into the testing liquid again and this time push the top slide all the way down. Clean the outside of the tip so that there is no extra ink than the exact amount that you set the dial to. Now the pipette is fully calibrated. You are ready to measure. Use the top lever to apply the ink to an Anilox roll. Slowly push it down into a horizontal line until it is empty. Then take a doctor blade from the kit and scrape the ink out on the roll as far as possible. Do this 3 times so that the ink is fully distributed. This is the normal 18 grams per square meter copy paper and you can use it to make an imprint of the ink. Place the paper on the roll like this and rub the paper over the area where the ink is. Doing this will leave a blot made by the 10 microliters of ink. Use a pen to outline the blot for a better contrast so that the scanner can define the blot more accurately. You can use different kinds of scanners, such as a flatbed scanner or in this case a sheet-fed scanner. After scanning the paper with a blot and downloading the scanning software, it is important that the reference circle is on the left side of your computer screen after scanning. Select the blot and reference circle with the left mouse button. Then press the right mouse button and copy the selected picture. Open the software so that you can create a file. Start filling in the code for the Anilox roll. Under nominal IFT, enter the volume of the roll. Next to that, enter the line per centimeter. If you know the wall thickness, you can fill it in here. After that, fill in the plant name, the machine name, and the location, which will be left, middle, or right. The last thing you can add is a drawing of your roll, if you have that available. Now you can load the image of the blot. First, click on the New button on the right side of the screen. Click on New in the bottom left corner and then on New in the bottom right corner. This will open up a new window where you start with adjusting the ink volume and reference area, which you used at the start of this process. We use 10 microliters as a reference area of 8.5 square meters. After the correct ink volume and reference area has been entered, click on Image Source and select the option Bitmap on Clipboard. Immediately after loading the image, you can see the volume of the Anilox roll here. Always check what the software has measured. If you select red and black, you should see a perfect red circle for the reference area and a black blot. That, of course, represents the blot you created on the roll. Save your measurements and then you can finish up by making a report of your work. Select the Report button on the right side and this will open a new window. This report contains your company logo with all the information you just gathered. As you measure your Anilox roll more often, the chart in this document will show how much the volume of the roll increases and decreases over time and between cleaning.